Probably not the smartest thing to do in your kitchen, but I just want to test it out like an idiot. So I just fixed it. One of my bearings broke, I suppose, on the top. My motor came loose while I was upside down. So I don't know if you guys ever experienced that. It's not cool. That's for sure. I'm just gonna spool it up. Ooh, plastic bag. Turkey bag, you know what that would have done? Instant caramelization. It's not even a word, but. Well. Brakes. That's called tight motor. Means premature or something, but if I don't do it like that, I'm not buying anything new. It's my Hoop Doggy Dog, my aligned T-Rex Hoop Doggy Dog with tube conversion. This is my beater. One day I'll get a nice I don't know what's nicer than my T-Rex, but